Welcome to this tutorial on how to make specific friends see your friends list on Facebook using your PC. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to customize who can view your friends list, ensuring that only the people you choose can see it. First, open Facebook in your web browser and log into your account. Once you're logged in, click on your profile photo located at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. On your profile page, click on the More option. This will expand a drop-down menu where you can select various sections of your profile. From this menu, choose the Friends section. This is where you manage who can see your friends list. In the Friends section, you'll see a list of all your friends. Look for the three dots at the top right corner of this section and click on them. A drop-down menu will appear. Select Edit Privacy from this menu. This option allows you to control who can see your friends list. Now, you'll be taken to a page where you can customize the visibility of your friends list. Click on Specific Friends to choose exactly who you want to allow to see your list. A new window will pop up where you can select the specific friends you want to grant access to. Simply type in their names or select them from your friends list. Once you've chosen all the friends you want to allow to see your list, click Save Changes and then Done to finalize your settings. This will ensure that only the friends you've selected can view your friends list, while keeping it hidden from everyone else. By following these simple steps, you can maintain control over your privacy on Facebook and decide exactly who gets to see your friends list. This feature is especially useful if you want to keep certain friendships private, or if you prefer to limit who can see your connections on the platform. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials on managing your online presence.